All right, students, welcome back after the break, everyone. Let's continue. Chalo, everyone over here now. Before the break, we were done till the different types of taxes which were subsumed, not subsumed, etc. Right? Now, please come on the right side. Can you see the trade and commerce which I have written over here? See, whenever this I'll go ahead and explain first. Please listen. Whenever I go ahead and talk about trade, what kind of trade can happen? TRADE. If I talk about trades, what are the different type of trade that can happen? One is intrastate trade. What is intrastate, everyone? Within the state. So whenever trade will happen within same state, or it can be within same union territory also. Within same union territory. When I say trade is happening within the same state, when I say trade is happening within the same state, means I am supplier in Karnataka and I am supplying also in Karnataka. Suppliers also in Karnataka, supplying also in Karnataka, then it is intrastate. If I go ahead and tell about intra UT, I am in Andaman, supplying also in Andaman. So Andaman to Andaman, if I tell you, that is intra UT, but in GST we call it intra state only. Now if I tell you other type of trade, the other type of trade is interstate. What is interstate, everyone? Between two states or two UTs. Correct, everyone? What is the example of between two states and union territory? If I am supplying from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu, supplier in Karnataka supplying to Tamil Nadu, then it is what? Interstate. If I tell inter UT, two different UT, Andaman to Lakshadweep, right, everyone? Lakshadweep. If I am going ahead and supplying, then it is one UT to another UT. We'll call it interstate only. One more type of trade which is there is international. Correct, everyone? Which is between two different countries. For an example, I am doing trade from India to China or China to India, India to Australia, Australia to India. That is what? International. In GST, listen carefully, everyone. Intrastate is also known as intrastate only. It is called intrastate supply. We don't call it intrastate trade. If I am supplying from one state to another, people, guys, talking time is over. Everyone on the board. If I am supplying from one state to another state, I am a supplier in Karnataka and I am supplying in Karnataka only. Okay, I say. Then it is called what, everyone? Intrastate. So what kind of a supply I am doing? Intrastate supply. First of all, goods and service has to be supplied, and then you have to say it is intra or inter. Intrastate supply means what, everyone? Whenever it is within the same state you are supplying or within the same union territory you are supplying, then it is called what, everyone? Intrastate. What is interstate and international? No, these two, whenever I go ahead and say, I will say this both. In GST we don't call it international. In GST, two different states are involved or two different countries are involved, still we call it interstate supply only. Are we clear, everyone? So in GST, if I tell you interstate supply will include three things, can you tell me? Whenever a transaction is happening between two different states, two different union territories, one state and one union territories, can it happen? Baba, two different states, can you give me the example? I am supplying from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu, or Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh to Maharashtra, Maharashtra to Bihar, Bihar to UP. All these are what everyone? Interstate supply. Two different UTs will be what everyone? Andaman is one union territory, and Lakshadweep, I'll say. Lakshadweep is another union territory. Two different union territories also, then also it will be what everyone? Interstate. Can you tell me one state and one UT? Take some other example. Maharashtra, everyone is behind Karnataka only. Maharashtra and no, no, it is not that I don't love Karnataka. Okay, I'm just telling you. Take some other example. Maharashtra too. Lakshadweep. I will tell. Okay, this is done. And whenever it is two different countries, so I can say import, export, etc. Also, it is called as inter-state supply. Are we clear? Why did I tell you intrastate or interstate? Because whenever there is a transaction which is intrastate, we always go ahead and charge CGST and SGST. Are you guys able to understand? If it is intra-state, if it is intra-UT, CGST, UTGST. Are you guys able to understand? You will see in your bill, half goes to central government, half goes to state government. So, supposingly, I sold some goods from, I am in the state of Karnataka. And for an example, madam, your name? Tanmay Shri. Okay. So, if I went ahead and sold to Tanmay Shri, then, Baba, what it will be? She is also in Karnataka, I am also in Karnataka. What will I charge? Intrastate. 1 lakh rupees ka item. What will I charge? CGST and SGST. If CGST is 9,000, SGST will be. That is how a shopkeeper does. For example, you are sitting in Papa's shop. One customer came. He is from Tamil Nadu. You are from Karnataka. Intra or inter? You have to first know. If it is, he is also from Karnataka, you are also from Karnataka. What will you charge him? Intrastate. What will you charge him? CGST and SGST. Are we clear? But if a transaction comes under interstate supply, any one of these four, then we go ahead and charge IGST. It is integrated GST. Integrated GST. This is central GST, state GST, central GST, union territory GST, and this is integrated GST. Now, what is CGST? Central government takes that tax. What is SGST? State government takes that tax. What is UTGST? Union territory ka government. Baba, to run Andaman Nicobar also you need money, no? So union territory ka government takes that money. Union territory. Whenever I say union territory, it's a territory of the union government. Union government means central government. So it means a union territory is a territory under the union government. Means it's a territory under the central government. Are you guys able to understand? Union territory. It's a territory of the union government. Means the central government. Union territory mein what happens? The central government appoints governor, whoever is the administrator, etc., who will take care of that union territory. Are we clear? And whatever CGST is collected, central government will use. SGST is collected, state government will use for the development of the state. UTGST is collected, that UTGST is collected by central government. This also goes to central government, this also goes to, but central government uses for the benefit of the union territory. Are you guys able to understand? Can I go ahead, everyone? And the next one over here is IGST, integrated GST. Integrated means CGST and SGST put together and they charge IGST. Now your question will be, sir, why can't they charge CGST, SGST only? Why IGST came into picture? For any transaction to happen in India, CGST should be charged, SGST should be charged. Central government should take half, state government should take half. But sir, you are telling IGST will be charged. IGST is integrated GST. CGST and SGST put together. IGST is always, if CGST is 9%, SGST is 9%. Can you tell me IGST will be how much? Now, why IGST is the question. Do you guys agree with me? You will tell, sir, why IGST, correct? I will first go ahead and explain you. Everyone, are you all 100% clear till here? That I will explain, but first I want you guys to tell me, are you guys clear with this? Okay, let me test you on this first. Okay, now I am telling, first you have to see location of supplier. You have to see the place where he is supplying. Then you have to tell me the nature of supply, intra or inter. And then you have to tell me the GST. Okay, everyone? Let's see how much you learned. First one, location. Supplier is from Karnataka. He is supplying, place of supply is also in, the place where he supplied is Karnataka. Means the destination is Karnataka. Intra or inter? Intra. What will you charge? CGST. Anyone any doubt? I'll repeat or got it? Okay. Second, I am in the state of Maharashtra and I am supplying also in the state of, I am supplying to the state of Gujarat. Intra or inter? Sure. Okay, inter. And what will you charge everyone? Total amount you will charge as IGST. Okay. I am in the state of Andaman and I am supplying in the state of, place of supply is also in state or union territory. What will you charge? Intra or inter first of all? Intra. And what will you charge everyone? CGST and UTGST. Everyone is 100% clear? Okay. I am telling number 4. I am in the state of Andaman and I am supplying to Lakshadweep. Baba, it's a union territory. Intra or inter? Inter. What will you charge everyone? IG. Okay. I am in the state of Assam and I am supplying in the state of Assam only. Intra or inter? Intra. And what will I charge everyone? CGST and SGST. Okay. I am in the state of West Bengal and I am supplying to the state of Assam. Intra or inter? Sure. One state to another state. Inter and I will charge IGST. I will collect and pay to the government. Okay. Why IGST? I'll talk later. First, you tell me intra or inter. Okay, everyone. 7. I am in the state of Bihar and I am supplying to the state of Andaman. One state, one UT. Intra or inter? Intra or inter? Inter. What will you charge? IGST. Sure, everyone? I am in the state of Chandigarh and I am supplying to Chandigarh. Union territory, right? Intra or inter? Intra. What will I charge? CGST and UTGST. Are you guys 100% sure till here? When it will be intra, when it will be inter? Okay. Okay, I will go ahead and tell you. I am in the state of Bihar. Okay. I am in the state of Delhi and I am supplying to Delhi. Intra or inter? Intra. What will you charge? CGST and Baba, Delhi, Delhi, Delhi. Delhi. CGST and UTGST. Delhi is a union territory, right, everyone? Yes or no? Baba, Delhi is a union territory. Correct, everyone? So you will say CGST and UTGST. But UTGST is wrong over here. Now listen why. People listen. Whenever we talk about India, can you tell me India mein how many states are there, everyone? Earlier, it was 29 states. Correct? And there were 7 union territories. People getting it? I am teaching you India now. 29 states and 7. Out of 29 states, one state of Jammu and Kashmir was told that you are no more a state, and there it became 28 states. And how many union territories? This one Jammu and Kashmir went and merged into, one is Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and one is Union Territory of Ladakh. And hence there are 9 Union Territories. Are you guys able to understand? People, listen carefully. Whenever it's a supply between state, it is CGST and SGST. Whenever it is Union Territory, then CGST and UTGST. Are we clear? Now, why do we call state a state? Okay, why do we call, what is a Union Territory? It's a territory of the, means the central government handles it. But in the Union Territories, no, you will see 3 Union Territories which has their state ka CM. Union Territories don't have CM. But 3 Union Territories are there which they have their own CM, which have their own Vidhan Sabha, which have their own basically Vidhan Sabha, which is there, which have their own CM. Those 3 states, if I tell you, one is Delhi, one is Puducherry, and one is Jammu and Kashmir. Union Territory, but with legislature. With legislature means their own CM is there, their own Vidhan Sabha is there, they have their own legislature. And if you go ahead and see the how many are there now? There you have the remaining one which are there. 6 UTs are without legislature. Without legislature means they don't have their own legislature, they don't have their CM. Central government controls them. Now, if I tell you 6 union territories, mein, number 1 is Andaman, number 2 Lakshadweep, then Chandigarh, Goa, huh? Yes, no, yes. Baba, Goa is a state. Sir, liquor is cheap. Goa, nahi Baba. Everyone here now. Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, then Ladakh. Okay, everyone. So you have 6 union territories which are there without legislature, 3 union territories with legislature. Are we all 100% clear till here? You know what happened now? Now, in GST, they gave definition of a state. People, hey, how much will you talk? Time to throw you out now. I'm talking, talking, talking. When will you become silent? Correct? No. Bad manners. I'm talking first, second bench you're talking. So much you're talking. What is there to talk so much? Can we go ahead, everyone? When disturbing everywhere. Still talking? Shameless. Still talking. Huh. Everyone on the board. Done. Everyone here now. See, everyone. In GST, when you see the definition of a state, it says state includes a union territory with legislature. Union territory with is called a state in GST. Are we clear? So can you tell me in GST how many states are there? Array 28 plus 3. Take out your calculator. 31 states. And union territory is how many? 6. But you know what happened? This Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli, government merged them. And government is selling only one union territory. Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. And hence they are not separate. You know what happens? Because both of them were here only. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Central government is telling whenever we have to issue a notification, any circular notification, you have to issue separately for this, separately for this. So they told these are both one only now. To control them, one notification issued applicable to both of them. And hence government what they did, everyone? They merged Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and hence they are not 2 union territories. They are only. Are we clear? So can you tell me how many union territories now? Are we clear? Now why did I tell you so much? Because whenever it's a state, the GST will be charged is CGST and SGST. Whenever transaction is happening within the state, whenever transaction is happening within the union territory, We'll charge what? CGST and UTGST. Are we clear, everyone? Now, can you tell me when I wrote over here Delhi, Delhi is a state or union territory? And Delhi to Delhi, what will you charge everyone? CGST and sure, everyone. Did you guys get it now? Can you tell me what are the three union territories which are state now? Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, and Puducherry. Or sweet Pondi, Baba. Pondicherry. Correct? But Puducherry is the good name. You write good name only and come in there. Don't write Pondi. Okay, everyone. Can we go ahead, everyone? Are we done? Next. Listen, now you tell me one thing. I'll ask you. 10. Now I'll confuse you. You tell me. I am supplying from Delhi state to Puducherry. One state, another state. Intra or inter first? Intra or inter? Inter. CGST, SGST or IGST? IGST, Baba. Who told you CGST, IGST? Inter, never CGST, SGST, UTGST is always IGST. Are we clear, everyone? Next. 11. I'll again confuse you, okay? Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Intra or inter? Inter or intra? Why intra? These are same. So it is intra. CGST and SGST who told? SGST, no SGST. Hey, talkative boy. SGST or UTGST? Really? SGST, no? See? That is why I'm telling, don't talk. First of all, you never heard. Now you don't know what is CGST, SGST also. Condolences. First day you don't know. SGST, CGST and? Baba, it is UT. Okay, I'll again confuse. Let me see. 12. Ladakh. Your brain should strike. What is it? State or UT? Jammu and Kashmir. State or UT? One UT, one state. Intra or inter? Pakka? What will you charge? IGST. Sure? I am not happy. I will do one more time. Okay. Number 1. Lakshadweep to Lakshadweep. Inter or intra? Intra. What will you charge? CGST and? Sure, UTGST. Done. Second, Ladakh to Delhi. One UT, one state. Intra or intra? What will you charge? Sure. Okay. IGST. Delhi to Puducherry. Inter. What will you charge? IGST. Okay. Jammu and Kashmir to Delhi. One state, another. Inter. What will you charge? IGST. Assam to Delhi. Inter. What will you charge? IGST. Sure, everyone got it. More example or got it, everyone? Got it. Okay. So this all what I spoke is everything here only. See, intrastate, interstate. Intra means within same state, within same UT. Same state you charge CGST, SGST, CGST and UTGST. Between different state, different UT, one state, one UT, between different country we charge IGST. India, 28 states, 8 union territories, 3 union territories and 5 union territories. 5 union territories, what will you always charge everyone? CGST and UTGST, and 31 state CGST and SGST. Are we 100% clear? Okay. Now everyone, tell me one thing. This is supposingly a talkative boy. Your name? Rohit. This is Rohit. ठीक है? Neighbor. This is Abhishek. Everyone over here. Rohit is supposedly in Karnataka. Okay. Abhishek is in Karnataka. Can you tell me if Rohit is a registered person, he will take registration in the state of Karnataka? Baba, when you go and take registration, no, on the GST ka website, supposedly I'll show you registration. You click over here, new registration. No, it is. Okay. So you always have to take registration saying I am a taxpayer. Which state you want to take registration? If I am a supplier from Karnataka, I'll take registration in Karnataka. Right, everyone? Can I go ahead? Madam, second bench, if you don't use phone, Facebook and all, it will be good. Not for me, for you. Shameless. Facebook. Second bench. Just imagine. Morning half, she was sleeping. Second half, Facebook. Why did you come to class? Aram se you would have slept at home. No. Correct? Now you are feeling bad. I'm scolding you. But you are doing that only. Correct? So better you sleep at home. No. Why do you come and sit in the first bench and do this? Bad. Everyone over here now. I am no. I am in the state of Karnataka. Everyone over here. You are in the state of Karnataka. So you take registration in the state where you are doing business, right? So you know what happens whenever I will sell the goods to a person in Karnataka. Everyone, listen. He will further sell supposingly. So I sold him supposingly goods worth rupees 1 lakh. I will charge what, everyone? CGST and think I am a shopkeeper. Okay, everyone. I sold 1 lakh rupees ka goods. 9% CGST and 9%. How much will I charge? 9,000 and right. Then what will I do? I will give this to central government and Karnataka state government. Do you guys agree with me? Central government got 9,000. State government got. This guy is a shopkeeper. People understand very carefully. This guy is a. What will he do? He will sell further, right? Sir, please give me input tax. Central government will give him how much? CGST का credit 9,000. SGST का credit how much? Sure, everyone? Pakka? What will he do? He will sell his output tax liability के लिए. He will use this credit. Do you guys agree with me? Everyone 100% clear? Sure? Okay. This you guys got it? This was in the same state. Now I'll tell you, he charged what? Karnataka SGST. And he got Karnataka SGST ka credit. He got the credit, everyone? Yes, sir. Tell where? Quick. Okay. Everyone got it till here? So now I'll tell you, for an example, Rohit is in the state of Karnataka. Okay, everyone? This guy is in the state of, I am in the state of Karnataka. He is in the state of Tamil Nadu. Buyer in the state of, I sold goods from here to here. I'll tell you why not charge CGST and SGST. Okay, everyone? If I sold goods worth rupees 1 lakh, CGST is how much, everyone? 9,000. SGST is how much? I will charge Karnataka SGST because I am registered in Karnataka. Do you guys agree with me? Whichever state you are registered, no, that state ka GST you will charge. How much I charged? I will give central government and Karnataka state government 9,000. Do you guys agree with me? This guy in Tamil Nadu, he will want input pay tax credit. Central government is one for all the country, for the full country. Central government will give him the credit of CGST. How much? He will tell I want SGST credit. He will go. He is registered in Tamil Nadu, no? So he will go Tamil Nadu state government ke paas and tell Tamil Nadu state government, give me 9,000 ka credit. What will Tamil Nadu government say? Hey, you bought the goods from Karnataka government. Go to Karnataka government and ask credit. Tamil Nadu state government will not give him the credit. Are you guys able to understand? And Karnataka state government will say, you are not even registered in Karnataka. Why will I give you the credit? So when he went to Tamil Nadu state government told like, you paid tax in Karnataka. Go and ask Karnataka. He will tell, I am registered in Tamil Nadu. I am asking you, if I ask Karnataka government will say, we can give only Karnataka SGST ka credit. Are you guys getting it, everyone? So he will not get the credit of, when 9,000 ka credit you will not get, it will become part of your cost. Again, cascading effect. So what is the point of getting GST if cascading effect is there? Baba, when you don't get credit, it will become part of your cascading effect. Again, tax may, cost may tax will be there. On that GST will be charged tax on. Do you guys agree with me? Sure, everyone. Baba, people, very important it is. Is everyone 100% clear till here? Can I go ahead? Okay. So that is why government told, whenever you are selling to another state, no, don't charge CGST or GST. Do one thing. Charge what? So I will show you now. So he will charge IGST, which is CGST 9 plus SGST. 18% means 18,000. He will give him 1 lakh plus 18,000. He will give IGST to central government. Baba, IGST goes to integrated GST, goes to central. What will central government do with this? Baba, this he wants input tax credit. No, central government is one for everyone. Simple. Central government will give IGST ka ITC. How much? Is there free flow of credit? But if it was not IGST, will you get the credit? Why? Not registered in Karnataka. Can I explain once again? Everyone, will you listen again? Listen. You know what happens? Supposingly, I am in the state of Delhi. Okay? I sold to one person in Delhi. Intra or inter, everyone? Intra. I sold 1 lakh rupees ka goods. What will I charge him? CGST and how much CGST? 9,000 and I will give central government how much? State government how much? State government I will give. Now, if this guy is a registered person, he will sell further. People listen carefully. So he will want what? ITC. So central government say he will take CGST ka credit 9,000 and state government say because he is also in Delhi and this is Delhi state government got Delhi SGST, right? Arey Baba, if I am registered in Delhi, I will charge Delhi SGST. I will collect and I'll pay to the Delhi government. Now Delhi government give the credit? Why? Because he is registered in Delhi. Are we all 100% clear? Now he will sell further output. He will use the input. Are we clear till here? Okay. He is not a registered person. Will he take input? You guys are not registered, right? Do you take input tax credit? You will not get input tax credit. Can you tell me if input tax credit you don't get, then what will happen? No, 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 no. You are unregistered person. You are not a registered person. Will you sell further? Central government got its 50% tax on the goods. Goods ka sale is over. Central government got 50%. State government got 50%. Story is over here only. But if I am a shopkeeper, see, goods came to a consumer ate, biscuit ate, over. Story is over. Central government gets 50%, state government gets 50%, story over. But goods came here. I am going to sell further. Then story is not over here. Picture abhi baaki hai. Correct. What will happen? Okay, people who did not understand the Hindi, I'm really sorry. Picture is still not complete. That is what we meant. Okay, everyone over here. Well, by chance you did not understand. I am 100% talking in English only, but the dialogue was in Hindi. So please don't get offended. Okay, everyone. Everyone over here now. Now. Everyone here now. What did I say? Delhi. I got. If I am a registered person, what will happen? I'll take the credit and I'll use to pay my output. But if I am not a registered person, what will happen? Story over. Story over. Can we go ahead, everyone? Are we all 100% clear? This is about CGST and SGST story. Are we clear with this? Okay. I will go ahead and talk about IGST now. Supposingly, I am a seller in Delhi. Okay, everyone? I am selling to a person who is in Maharashtra. Okay? Everyone, he is a registered person. I sold the goods to him. 1 lakh rupees ka goods. I charge CGST and SGST for an example I am telling. Okay? Actually, it should be IGST. But why IGST I am teaching? No, first. If I charge him 9,000 CGST and 9,000 SGST, and if I give CGST to central government and Delhi SGST to Delhi state government 9,000, this guy is registered where? Maharashtra. Will Delhi government give him credit? Delhi government will say you go to Maharashtra government. Maharashtra government will say you give the money to Delhi government. Because when I sell you the goods, you will pay me the money. I will give the GST to whom? Central government and Delhi state government. Arey, central government too will give you input tax credit of how much? But central government will give. Delhi state government, will they give you 9,000 ka credit? When you don't get credit, what will happen? Cost, it will be added to my cascading effect will start. Don't you think that was a problem? Item ka prices were going up. So government suggested that we will not do like this. We will do what? We will do IGST. And now what is happening? So now see how free flow of credit will happen. Delhi supplier, he sold to whom? Maharashtra one buyer, 1 lakh rupees ka goods. He will pay, right? 9,000 and 9,000 integrate and charge. Integrate means IGST. Integrated GST. Full 18,000 will be charged at what, everyone? IGST he will give to whom? Central government. IGST is always given to central government. Are we all 100% clear till here? First tell me. Now, my question to you guys. If he is a registered person, he will sell it further. He will want input tax credit. How much will he get? Central government is one for all. Baba, God is one, central government. Central government will give the credit. That credit you can use to pay your output tax liability. Anyone? Any doubt? Sure? Can I go ahead? Okay, tell me one thing. What if this guy is an unregistered person? People like you. Unregistered people, will you get credit? No. What will central government do with 18,000 now? Central government 50-50 will do. 50% central government will keep. 50% they will give to state government. Which state government, you tell me? Which state government? Array, GST is a destination based tax, consumption tax. Which state consumed it? So 50% to Maharashtra state government. Are you guys 100% clear why IGST came? If it was CGST, SGST, do you think free flow of credit would have happened? And that is why they introduced what? IGST. If registered person, central government will give him credit. Unregistered person, central government will keep half to the destination state government. Sure, everyone. Are we all 100% clear? Can I go ahead, everyone? Next, chalo. We'll go ahead and now see over here. The same thing is written here. People, okay. Are we all 100% clear till here? What is intrastate supply, everyone? Within the same state, within the same union territory, we always charge CGST and SGST, CGST and UTGST. Two different state, two different UT, one state, one UT, two different country. Inter, what will he charge? IGST will go to where? Central government. If I am a registered person, central government will give me the credit. If I am unregistered, central government will keep 50% state government. Are we all 100% clear till here? So you think you are sitting in your shop. Okay? For an example, we'll take the bad boy Rohit here. Okay? Rohit is sitting in one shop. Okay? Sitting. Okay. Okay? This is one kid came. He told, Uncle, uncle, this kid is also from Karnataka. He is also in Karnataka. Okay, everyone. He told, Uncle, uncle, I want one chocolate. What will he charge him? See, Baba, Karnataka, Karnataka. See GST and one Tamil Nadu ka boy came. He told, Uncle, uncle, I want one mobile phone. What will he charge? Are you guys able to understand now what shopkeepers are doing? Are you able to practically think what a shopkeeper must be doing? Can I go ahead, everyone? Are we all 100% clear till here? Chalo, we'll go ahead. Now listen. There are various types of items, goods and service which are there. Number one is AL for HC. What is AL for HC, everyone? Alcoholic liquor bar. You know, whenever alcohol is manufactured, state government charges what? State excise. Central government does not charge anything. VAT and CST. Okay. You know, earlier, whenever goods used to be sold within the state, VAT used to be charged. Outside the state, CST used to be charged. Are we clear? Same is continuing for what? Alcohol. GST is not there. Can I go ahead, everyone? HP man. What is HP man, everyone? High speed diesel, petroleum crude, motor spirit, aviation turbine fuel, and central government charges central excise on the manufacturing. What will central government charge? Central excise duty. Whenever it is sold within the state, what will charge? Outside the state, what will come? Are we clear? So tell me one thing. If I am a manufacturer of petroleum, when I manufacture, what do I have to pay? Central excise duty. When I am selling within the state, outside the state, over everyone. Next, tobacco. Baba, you know tobacco, correct? Tobacco and tobacco products which are there. Tobacco products which are there. Whenever manufactured, central government charges central excise. And Baba, whenever it is sold, GST comes. GST. Are you guys able to understand? So in tobacco, two items will come. One is central excise duty and one is GST. So for an example, there is tobacco of 100 rupees which is sold, 10 rupees excise duty 100 and on that GST supposingly 10%, then GST will come 11 rupees and tobacco will be sold at 121. Now your doubt is, sir, cascading effect, don't chew tobacco. Government is telling I am encouraging not to chew tobacco, not to smoke. Cascading effect is there, but still people are continuing, no? Are you guys able to understand? So government is telling yes, cascading is there. You don't chew tobacco, I'll not charge only. Are you guys able to understand? It is not basic necessity, no? Except for few. So government is telling, Baba, GST will also come and on manufacturing, what will come, everyone? Central excise duty. Are we all clear? Can I go ahead, everyone? Next. Opium, Baba, opium, narcotics, drugs, etc., which are there. Opium, narcotics, drugs, etc., which are there. Of course, it is not allowed legally. But what I'm telling is legally it is allowed for medical use, etc. Medicine companies and all. That time, whenever it is sold, no state government charge. Arey, Baba, enough discuss. He's full into drugs now. No, talking about drugs. Okay, on the board. So what is telling? Central state government will charge what? State excise duty, and whenever it is sold, GST will be charged. So both the tax will be charged. Now all other goods and service only GST, and GST. So these four items you have to be very careful. They can ask you for 1 mark in the exam. What is the different type of tax which is charged? Are we all 100% clear till here? Can we go ahead, everyone? Chalo. People, I want you to spend 1 minute and see till now, and then we'll continue. Whatever I have done till now, I want you guys to spend 30 seconds and see whatever I have done, and then we'll continue. Baba, your book, man. Quickly. Baba, it's not talking time. Are we done, everyone? People, anywhere, any doubts? Can I go ahead? Anyone, any doubt till here? All clear? Can I go ahead? Chalo. Everyone over here. Now, can you see on the right side? I've written constitutional provisions. Baba, little studying about the Constitution of India is a good manner. Okay? So that is why we are going to talk little about the Constitution now. Everyone here now. Constitution may there are articles. I told you, no, you think as of now articles to be like chapter. It's one chapter. Okay, where they have gone ahead and written about some things, or I can go ahead and not talk about chapter. It can be a paragraph. You think it's a big paragraph. Okay, everyone. But for only for simplicity, because I don't want to teach you constitution. You think it's a paragraph. In that constitution, there are various articles which are there. In that, some articles you should know so that when you are learning GST, it will be helpful. Number one article is article number 265. Article number. This article says that no tax shall be levied. Levied means imposed or collected. Either impose or collect except by the authority of law. What do you mean by this? To collect GST, GST Act has to be there. To collect Income Tax Act has to be there. Who told this? Article told this. So, Constitution of India is the Mother Act. Mother Act. Mother Act is telling if you want to collect any tax, first of all, you need to have a law. Law means you need to have an act. Income tax you want to collect, Income Tax Act has to be there. GST you want to collect, GST Act has to be there. Are we clear? Who told this? This is article number 265. Are we clear? That is why whenever a tax is collected, always you will see Act will Central Excise Duty, Excise ka Act is there. GST ka Act is there. Income Tax Act is there. Only if there is an Act, you can collect a tax. That is told by article number 265. Now, okay, if Parliament makes a law, means what do you mean by Parliament? Okay, no. First, you tell me what do you mean by central government and what do you mean by Parliament? Sir, both are same, correct or not? Yes or no? Parliament and central government is same, yes or no? Yes, I told yes, they are telling. I tell no. Baba, central government is the government at the center. People, see, these are your general knowledge. I am giving you today, first day. General knowledge I am giving you. Tomorrow onwards, we will start learning about GST properly. Today is general knowledge. This general knowledge, if you don't have, 15 days, you will not understand anything. Okay? Everyone listen now. Central government is the government. Arey, name only is central government. Government at the center. Can you tell me as of now, government at the center is who? BJP. Whoever is the government at the center, they always first of all do what? They always first of all say that to run the country better, because their work is to run the country. BJP's work is now what? To run the country. To run the country better, which law we want? For an example, central government told we want RERA Act, Real Estate Regulation Act. So first they will make, central government is the government at the center, who is now running the country. They will first say what law we want to run the country better, and they will make one bill. They will make a bill. Now this bill goes to Lok Sabha. Aha, sir. Now we are thinking something. Then it goes to Rajya Sabha. Okay, everyone. Now this is known as what, everyone? Parliament. So Parliament and central government is separate. Central government is the ruling government of the country who decides what law they want. For that law, they will make a draft bill. Draft means rough one bill will be prepared. They'll show before the Lok Sabha. Some cheers here, there, some shouting here, there will happen. Lok Sabha se the bill will go to Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha, some people will shout, some people will talk. Baba, I am not telling nobody shout or anybody shout. All are good people. Okay? All they will talk. Then what will happen? Then this will go to president, and president will sign. When he signs or she signs, it becomes an act. So this is the journey of a bill to an act. Now listen to me very carefully. People, listen to me very carefully. How we make an act, the power to make the act. So if parliament ke through one act is made, means the bill is passed through the parliament, then that act which is there is applicable to the whole of the country. If parliament, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha ke through one act is passed, bill is passed, then that bill is applicable to the whole of the country. Are we clear? Now state government also has our state ka Vidhan Sabha. Same thing happens. State government goes ahead, makes a bill, bill goes to the Vidhan Sabha. Are we clear? Then it is being implemented in the state. It becomes a act. If state government makes an act, that is applicable only to the state. Who told? I telling, you telling will not help. Baba, Constitution of India ka article number 245 is telling, there's an article which says what? Parliament may make law for whole or any part of the territory of India. So if Parliament is making the law, that will be applicable to the whole or any part of the territory of India. State legislature may make law for whole or any part of the state. So if state government is making law, means state ka Vidhan Sabha ke through, if you are making the law, that will be applicable only to the state. Parliament ke through, if you are making the law, then it will be applicable to the whole of the country. Now you tell me one thing. Supposingly, one law is being made, which is being made by the one topic is there on which law is made by the center also, law is made by the state also. Means Parliament also made the law, state also made the law. Modi ji also made the law, Mamta Didi also made the law. Now in West Bengal, Modi's law will prevail because West Bengal is in India, or Mamta Didi's law will prevail. Fight is happening now. So that fight does not happen, they introduce one more article. Article number 246, and in that one schedule means one annexure, one list they put, saying which law will be made by Parliament, means for whom central government can get the law passed through Parliament, for which topic the state government can make the law, for which topic both will together make the law. Are you guys able to understand? See, first I told you, to collect any tax, law has to be there, act has to be there. Who told? Parliament. Now who will make the act? Parliament will also make the act. Parliament ke through, if act is made, it is applicable to the whole of India. State legislature made the act or law, applicable only to the state. So that both of them on one topic, for an example, police. Okay, India ka defense. Who should make the law? Center. Police. State. Are you guys able to understand? So that there is no conflict. What they have done, they have divided the power to make the law. This topic, central government will make. This topic, state government will make. This topic, both will be brother and sister and they will make the law. Are we clear, everyone? Now, so that is known as article number 246 mein the division has been done to make the law in three lists. One is list number 1 where which is known as what, everyone? Union list. That is the parliament, basically central government will send the bill to the parliament and the law will be made by whom? Parliament. And it will be applicable to the whole of India. List number 2, state list, in which state legislature, the state ka Vidhan Sabha ke through, you will make the law. It will be applicable to the state. List number 3 is the concurrent list, where both the government together will make the law. Now this list may, I made the list and I put it over here so that we can read. 1 minute here. Everyone, page number 1.7. Even if you don't go here and there, you can see on the board also. See, if you see over here, it says union list, state list and concurrent list. Union list mein, can you see it starts from entry number 82? Arey, that list mein already 81 items are there, but those are not tax related law. So I'm not talking about them. People, entry number 82 says Parliament will make the law for taxes on income. Baba, income tax ka who will make the law? Central government will introduce the bill in the parliament and the law will be made by parliament, applicable to whole of country, India. Correct, everyone? Now, other than agricultural income, they told agricultural income pay, central government will make the not make the law. But all other income, income tax, who will make the law? Custom duty, import, export, central government. Duties of excise, excise duty on alcoholic liquor and tobacco. Did I already tell you? Are see. Alcoholic liquor and tobacco. Who makes the law? Are we clear, everyone? Next. Central sales tax. I told you, from one state to another state when you are selling, who will make the law? Tax is collected by state government. But who makes the law? Central. And any other matter which is not there in list number 2 and list number 3, any matter comes, who will make the law? Are we clear? Now see, state government will make the law for what? Agricultural income. Baba, agricultural income pe as of now there is no tax. But if it comes, who can make the law? States can decide. State excise duty on alcoholic liquor. Arey, bottle, who makes the law? Opium, Indian hemp, other narcotics, drugs, who will make the law? State government. Are we clear, everyone? Taxes on sale or purchase of goods, VAT. Baba, VAT was there earlier. Who made the law? State government. Taxes on luxury, luxury tax, including taxes on entertainment, entertainment tax. Amusement, Baba, Wonderla, amusement. Betting, gambling. Who used to make the law? Then, everyone here, who will make the law together? Criminal law, stamp duties, all these laws are being made by center and state together. Are we clear, everyone? Now, sir, GST, who will make the law? Sir, GST is not there only. Okay, tell me one thing. If by chance any law is there, okay, here education related law also comes over here. State government made a law, central government also made a law. Both are together going to make the law. Any fight is there between them, then center is telling this should happen in education, state is telling this should happen. Any fight is happening, then there is one article. People. These are the list. Central government will make the law. This is the list. State government. This list both will make together. If together may there is any fight, center is telling, I am telling education may this should happen. Whose law will prevail? Arey, whose law will prevail? See, article number 254 deals with the inconsistency between the law, parliament and state. Article 254 deals with the supremacy of law made by parliament. They are telling if by chance there is a fight between center and state, whose law will be supreme? Center. Are we clear, everyone? Now you tell me one thing. If they write GST over here, GST should give equal power to center and state. State government is selling something. People, state government is selling something. And central government is telling no this way. Then states have to be silent. Because center is always supreme. Parliament is always supreme. State government told no one should be supreme. When GST will come, both of us did Swaha no. So both should have equal power. Are you guys able to understand? And hence they did not mention GST over here. Otherwise, they could have just mentioned GST over here and both could have made the law together. Are we clear? And hence, after article number 246, they introduced article number 246A. Article number 246A. Are we clear? Why they introduced 246A? To give center and state equal power to make the law. Are you guys able to understand? So that center and state, no one is supreme, no one is junior. States told when GST is coming in, both of us did swaha of all our laws, both should have equal power. And hence, see over here, everyone, special provision with respect to GST. Are we clear, everyone? Did you guys get it till here? Pakka, everyone? What did I tell you till now? Oh, sir, so many things. To collect a tax, there should be a act or law. Who told? Act is only law. 265. Parliament ka law will be applicable to the whole of the country. State legislature, if it makes a law, applicable to state. Are we clear? Now, which topic pe who will make the law? List number 1, list number 2, and list number. List number 1, who will make the law? Parliament. List number 2 will make the law? State legislature, state government. List number 3, both the government together will make the law. Are we clear till here? If there is a fight between the parliament and state, whose law will prevail? Law made by parliament. Now states told we don't want one to be senior, one to be junior. We are not junior of anyone. Equal power should be given, and hence article number 246A was introduced, wherein they told notwithstanding. What do you mean by notwithstanding? It's telling you tear everything what was told earlier, put it in the dustbin. It's telling notwithstanding anything told in 246 and 254. 246 gave the list. List number 1, list number 2, list number 3. This is 246, which you just now learned here. They are telling this one you put in the dustbin. And 254, that parliament is supreme, that also put in the dustbin. Are we clear? And now they are telling parliament and the legislature of every state, means parliament, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and every state ka legislature have power to make law with respect to GST to be imposed by union and state. So parliament, when it will make law, it will make the CGST ka law. State legislature will make law, they will make SGST ka law. Are we clear? So that is what they told in article number 246. Basically, article number 246 told Baba nothing. Article number 246 told central government will make CGST ka law, means parliament will make CGST ka law, and state legislature will make SGST. Which state legislature? Every state government. Karnataka will make Karnataka SGST law. Tamil Nadu will make Tamil Nadu SGST law. Are we clear? How many states in the country? 30. Baba, don't go home and tell 31. But for our GST, how many states we have? 31 states will make 31 SGST laws. All are same. Copy paste. How many CGST law will be there in the country? Applicable to the whole of the country. Are we clear, everyone? Next. Now, this is author's comment. What I told, I have written here. Now, people, whenever it is one state to another state, what is charged? IGST. Who will collect that amount? Correct. So interstate trade mein, who will make the law? Central government or state government? Baba, if one state to another state, you give the power to the state government to make the law. Karnataka to Maharashtra is applied. Karnataka will say, I want the money. Maharashtra will say, I want the money. Are you guys able to understand? So, whenever it is interstate, who will make the law? See over here. Parliament has exclusive power to make law with respect to GST, where the supply of goods or of service or takes place in the course of interstate trade, or whenever it is interstate, who will make the law? Parliament. Central government will introduce the bill in the parliament and parliament will make the law. Correct, everyone? Did you guys understand the difference between parliament and state central government? Can I go ahead, everyone? Next. People, this explanation you will not read now. I'll talk after some time. Please come to your chart book. See over here. Article 265 we understood. Article 245 we understood. Article 246 we understood. Then we understood 246A. See here. Provides parliament power to parliament and state legislature to levy GST, so that both can levy GST simultaneously. Article number 246 A was introduced, and here Parliament has exclusive power to make GST law with respect to interstate trade and commerce. Are we clear, everyone? Can I go ahead? People, you're not audible, everyone. Chalo. Just telling, yes, sir, you got it, everyone. Got it, no, everyone? Now, people, this is total bakwas. You see here. Article number 269A. It says levy and collection of GST on interstate. You already know. You tell me. Interstate mein what will come? IGST will come. IGST will be collected by whom? Central government. Central government will do with IGST what? Keep 50%. 50% to whom? Destination state. Correct, everyone? I did not say this. It is told here. See. GST on supply in the course of interstate. What is GST on in interstate supply? IGST. Shall be levied and collected by government of India, that is state government or central government, central, and it will be apportioned between the union and the state, means it will be divided between the central government and the in the manner provided by parliament by law, means they are telling in the law we will say, as of now I told you it will be distributed 50-50 over everyone. Next, people, I told you whenever you import or export, what is it? Intra or inter? When you get goods from outside India into the territory, intra or inter? It is told here, see. For the purpose of this clause, total bakwas, supply of goods or service or both in the course of import into the territory shall be deemed to be supply of goods, services or both in the course of interstate trade or commerce. That I wrote here only. That different countries means import and export is always what, everyone? Inter, and what will come? People, IGST shall be levied and collected by central government and divided between the central government and the. Are we all 100% clear? People, I want you to read these 5 of them and tell me if you guys are 100% clear. I'll move ahead then. 1 minute ka time, quickly read. Quickly go through everyone. Are we done, everyone? Can I go ahead? Chalo. Everyone over here now. ठीक है. People, here now. Can you see article number 279A? What is article number 279A? People, listen. GST is a new law. ठीक है. Now, whenever a new law is made, there will be definitely a lot of problems which will come. Correct, everyone? There will be definitely lot of problems which will come. Now, what government saw that when we are going to make the GST law may also many problems will come. We'll have to make many changes, right? So, what happened over here? Government formed a council known as GST Council. Sir, what is this council? Why is this council? Listen. For an example, government told in GST, if you are selling goods from one state to another state, you have to take compulsory registration. You have to take one state to another state, 1 rupee also if you sell, you have to take registration and do business. Okay. Otherwise, registration limit is 20 lakh. Up to 20 lakh, you don't take GST. Correct? So small handicraft suppliers who are there, no? They went to the government, sir, we are handicraft supplier. We are our handicraft item in our state, no one is buying. People tell me one thing. In our state ka handicraft will you buy? Generally outside the state ka people will buy. No, sir, please. If we have to take GST registration, too much of tension. Are you guys able to understand? Hmm? What did you understand? You were talking. So they went to the government. People, listen. Now their problems were there. Any industry may any problem which comes, no. So all these handicraft suppliers who are there, they had a problem. What problem? They have to take registration. They are like, sir, we don't want to take registration. So what will happen is these people will take their problem and go to a minister. Okay, everyone. Every state ka one minister is there. Every state ka one minister is appointed who will go and sit in a GST council committee. And in the GST council committee, every state ka minister sit. Okay, everyone. How many states are there? So 31 finance ministers who are there. Or state finance minister nahi baba, that state ka taxation minister or anyone who is representing that state will sit and he will tell, sir, you introduce the GST law. This problem is happening. And in that council, no, the Union Finance Minister, Nirmala Sitharaman, Miss Nirmala Sitharaman, and one more union ka member will sit. Everyone here. How many ministers will sit? 31 states ka members will sit, which is state finance minister or the state ka taxation minister or any other minister nominated by each and every state or union territory. Are we clear, everyone? So 31 states ka 31 ministers will sit there. Plus Nirmala Sitharaman, Miss Nirmala Sitharaman, and one more member. His name is Union Minister. Union Minister means central government ka minister. Union Minister means center minister. Baba, these are state. This is center. This C is also center. So he is Union Minister of State. His name is what? Baba, he is a Union Minister, but his name is Union Minister of State, and he is in charge of revenue and. So, Baba, basically the central government ka minister who is in charge of the revenue and finance, that guy also sits in the council. So, people, what will happen in the council? Members will sit. Each of the member, their state ka whatever problems are there, they will tell. Sir, in our state, all the handicraft people who are there are crying, sir. Please do something. So everyone will sit and discuss. Everyone will sit and this GST council, no? This GST council will give their recommendation. They will give their recommendation to the government. Council will give their recommendation to the government saying, sir, we think that in GST, handicraft supplier should be exempted from registration up to 20 lakh. Are we clear? Whatever GST law may changes has to be made. Who will tell? The council will recommend the, and government will issue a notification. Government will issue a, the day government issues a notification, from that day change will happen. Are you guys able to understand? The day government introduces a notification, from that day, okay. Today if government told handicraft supplier need not take compulsory registration, so handicraft suppliers will not be required to take compulsory. Are you guys able to understand? Now let's understand the GST Council. So GST Council was constituted by whom? So GST Council is again constituted under the Constitution of India. Are we clear? So here Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, late Pranab Mukherjee was there. He went ahead and constituted a GST Council, wherein one member was Union Finance Minister, another member was Union Minister of State. He is in charge of Revenue and Finance, and the last one was 31 state ka 31 minister. It can be State Finance Minister, Taxation Minister, or state ka any minister who is nominated by the state. Are we clear? And hence we have how many members in the council? Can you tell me? 1, 2, and 31. 33 members in the GST Council. See, the article number 279 of the Constitution empowers the President, who has been given the power, everyone? President, to constitute a joint forum of the center and state, and the name of the forum is what, everyone? GST. The joint forum of the center and state is known as GST Council. Baba, to make GST Council, how many members will be there? Who will be there? All these law provisions were made on what date, everyone? 12. But actually, the constituted president constituted on what date? 15 September. First of all, they have to decide how many people will be there, what can the council do, what are the powers of the council. That was that law was made on what date, everyone? 12 September. And president constituted, means actually the council got constituted on what date? 15. Now, I told you 33 members are there. This you guys already know. Very, very important from exam point of view. What are the functions of the GST Council? Number one, the taxes, cess, surcharge which may be subsumed into GST. People, you guys already know. What are the taxes which are gone? Who told this? What are the taxes central government have to do swaha? What are the taxes state government will do swaha? Who decided together? Arey Baba, council is nothing other than what? Central government members, state government members together. So they decided which central government ka taxes will go and which state government ka taxes will go. Are we all clear? Next. GS, okay, here. The goods and service which are subject to and which are exempted from. What item pe GST will come? What goods and service pe GST will not come? Who will decide? Council. Model GST law. How the GST law should look? Who will decide? Council. Principles of levy. When GST will be levied? Who will decide? Council. Apportionment of GST levied on interstate supply. What do you mean by interstate supply, everyone? One state to? What will come? IGST. How that IGST will be distributed? Who will decide? Council. This one I am not teaching you now. The principle that govern place of supply. Place of supply, one chapter we will learn. After that, you will understand this. Next. Threshold limit of turnover below which no GST shall be charged on goods and service. People, threshold limit for registration. Who will decide? Council. Then rate of GST. Phone pay 18%. Glasses pay 12%, 5%. Remote pay 18%. Baba, I am not telling the exact rate. I am just telling you for example. This pay 5%. Who will decide? Council. Special rate for specified period to raise additional resource during natural calamity. People, Kerala. Kerala had flood. Kerala flood cess was collected. 1% Kerala mein Kerala flood cess was collected. Who allowed them to collect? GST Council. Then special provision with respect to these states. Can you see these states, everyone? Why are these states called? These states are known as special category states. SCS. Everyone over here. But tell me one thing. Are they not humans? They are also humans, no? So we call them humans. Humans of Tripura and Jammu and Kashmir. You have to remember special category state. Sir, why these states are called special category? That I'll tell you after some time. But first listen. These states are known as special category state. Number one, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. U for Uttarakhand. M for Meghalaya. Manipur. Mizoram. A for Assam. Arunachal Pradesh. N for Nagaland. S for Sikkim, Tripura, and we call them as a special category state. Can you tell me what is the special category state, everyone? Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram. A for Assam, Arunachal, N for Nagaland, S for Sikkim. Sikkim and Baba. After that, humans of Tripura and Jammu and Kashmir. Tripura and Jammu and Kashmir. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 special category state. Now, why this special category state? Everyone listen. Why these states are called special category state? In Karnataka, for an example, in Karnataka, if I keep the limit for supplier of goods as 40 lakh rupees, anyone will come in 40 lakh? Many people will come. But if I keep 40 lakh rupees in the hilly region, Meghalaya, Manipur, do you think 40 lakh people will achieve? In Karnataka, the selling turnover of 40 lakh is very simple. But if you tell in hilly region, mountain, these are all the hilly regions, mountain regions, etc. Northeastern state. Do you think for them, if you give 40 lakh rupees, many people will come under registration or very few people will come under registration? If very few people will come under registration, it means GST collection will be very. If GST collection is very less, how will the state survive? Correct? So, Baba, this special category states के लिए, no, government keeps the limit as only 10 lakh rupees. So, one person crosses 10 lakh, he has to start collecting GST. So, special states are for so that government can make special provisions for them. If government keeps 40 lakh rupees limit there also, no, nobody will come under registration. So, government made only 10 lakh ka limit. Why 10 lakh ka limit? So that many people come under registration. If hilly regions may also many people will come, means the GST collection will come. If GST collection is there, state government will have money. If state government doesn't have money, central government has to give money. Are you guys able to understand? To run that state. And that is why special provisions are made for special category state. Can I go ahead, everyone? That is why they classify them as what? Special category state. What are the special category state? Everyone with me again. Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Tripura, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Assam, Arunachal, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura, Jammu and Kashmir. Are we clear, everyone? Chalo. Come here. Now, next. So, this is the special category state wala point. And you know what? I told you petrol pay. See, there are two products in GST which you have to listen. Everyone here. I call them, it is called as non-taxable under GST. What are the two products called non-taxable under GST? Number one is alcoholic liquor for because government took mother promise. In the Mother Act only government told, we will not charge GST on alcohol. Can government charge alcohol by GST? No, they have taken mother promise. Correct everyone? Secondly, it is HP man. See Baba, here to they can't charge GST because constitution only does not allow. Here they can charge, but they told we will charge the day council allows us to charge. So GST council will first have to recommend the government. We'll have to give what? Recommendation to the government. Government will issue one notification, and from that day GST will come on HP man. What is HP man, everyone? High speed diesel, petroleum crude, motor spirit, aviation turbine fuel, and natural gas. As of now, this five item pe there is no. But can it come? Who has the power to get GST? See. The date on which GST will be levied on HP man, HP man. Who will tell everyone? GST Council. People see over here. I've gone ahead and told you. Now, is everyone 100% clear till here? Take it. I have to teach a small point now, but I want you guys to take a 3 minutes break and then I will continue. 3 minutes, okay, everyone? You talk to each other and then 3 minutes later we'll continue. Drink some water so that you digest it. People watching at home, I'll pause the video. 3 minutes break. People, let's continue. Everyone over here now. See, everyone here. GST Council. GST. What is a GST Council, everyone? It's a GST which is a council which has been constituted, which has center ka member, which has state ka members also, to discuss whatever is the problems which are coming in GST. Are we clear, everyone? Now, GST Council has how many members? You know how many members say? These 33 members say how many members should be present so that the meeting can be held? Minimum half of the number of members should be present. Minimum how many? Half. When I say half of the members should be present so that quorum can be achieved. You know what is quorum, everyone? Minimum number of members required for a meeting to be held. Now this quorum is half. Half means 33 members. Half is how much, everyone? 16.5. One will send his kid. Baba, 17 members. Are we clear, everyone? 17 members have to be present so that the meeting can happen. Are we clear, everyone? Now, in the meeting, how many members are there from the center? Two union member. How many state member? 31 state ka ministers are there. Can I write state minister? So how many members total? 33 members. You know what they are telling? They are telling union ka member ka vote should be, vote ka weight will be 33.33% and state ka vote ka weight will be 66.67%. Sir, what do you mean by this? What they are telling is, so that a decision can be taken. For an example, they are deciding lottery pay rate of GST should be 18% or should the rate be 28%. This was one time when this system was used, voting system. Lottery pay rate of GST should be 18% or lottery pay rate of GST should be 28%. Okay, everyone? They were deciding on that factor. For any decision to be taken, voting system will be used. And when voting is used, at least out of this 100%, no, 75% majority is required. 75 majority is. Sir, how to find out did we get 75% or not? Listen carefully. These 33 members are there, no? 33%. This will be divided between two union members. It means divided by 2 per person ka weight will be how much? 16.5% approx. Per member ka weight will be how much? Vote ka weight? Vote ka weight will be how much? 16.5. Nirmala Sitharaman told it should be 28% lottery pay rate. I agree. 16.5% casted in favor. Another union minister was there. Union minister of state in charge of revenue and finance. He told, yes, I agree. Then Baba, again 16 point. It means 33% casted in favor. This 67 will be divided among how many members? It means per member ka weight will be approximately 2% approx. Karnataka told, hey, we too don't use have lottery only. Make it 28%, no problem. 2% in favor. Karnataka told, make 28%, 2% in favor. Like this, all the states have to agree and it will come up to not all, but at least 75% total. Then only that decision can be taken. Did you guys understand this point? Sure, everyone. Can you tell me GST Council? How many members are there? How many members should be present for a meeting to be held? Half. Half means half of the number of members should be present for a meeting to be held. This GST Council में how many members? Two union member and 31 state finance minister or minister nominated. Total how many? Arey, it can happen no that out of this present and voting. Present can be only two union member. Here only 28 members came. Out of this, two union member told we will vote. And out of this, only 25 members told we will vote. Can it happen? Yes or no? Yes. Karnataka told I will not vote only. I will remain silent. Can they do that? Yes. We always have to see how many numbers of members are present and voting. So this is present and so this members ka weight is 33.33% and this 25 members ka vote ka weight will be 66 point. Are you guys able to understand? People getting it inside or up? You should always see how many members are present and their vote ka weight will be 33.33%. Union member, state member how much? Total is how much? How much is required? Are we clear? So this you will divide by 2 and this you will divide by how many member? Present and Baba, not actual member, not present member, present and voting member. So this divided by. Are we clear, everyone? Can I go ahead? Now, Nirmala Sitharaman told, yes, I agree, it should be 28%, 16.5% casted in. Other union minister, no, 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 it should be 18%. He did not cast in favor. It will come here or not? No. Then, 66.67% should be divided by approximately 2.5. Karnataka told, yes, I agree, it should be 28%, 2.5%. Like this, 2.5%, everyone should agree and it should come to how much, everyone? Only then one vote can be, only then a decision can be taken. So for any decision to be taken, center and state both have to agree. Why? Because only if center agree, only 33%. Only if state agree, it is only total should be how much? Only then decision can be taken. Are you all 100% clear? Shall I tell once again or got it? People got it? Yes. Everyone got it? Can I go ahead? Everyone here now. Chalo, see. Everyone here now on the board. This GST council was constituted on 15th of September. 33 member, 2 union member, 31 state finance minister or any minister nominated. Quorum is half of the number of member. Majority is 3/4 of the weighted vote of member present and voting. Whoever is present and voting, these votes will be divided between them and the total should be how much, everyone? Weights of the vote of center is 1/3 and state government is 1/3 means 33.33%, 2/3 means 66.67%. What are the function? They will make recommendation to union government and state government which taxes, cess, surcharge to be subsumed, which taxes will go, what will be the rate of GST, What are the goods or service which will be subject to and which will be exempted from GST? Special provision with respect to special category state. Whatever. What is the special category state, everyone? Humans of Tripura and Jammu and. Can you tell me H for Himachal, U for Uttarakhand, M for Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, A for Assam, Arunachal, N for Nagaland, S for Sikkim, Tripura, and Jammu and Kashmir. Date on which GST will come on? HP man. What is HP man, everyone? High speed diesel, petroleum crude, motor spirit, aviation turbine fuel, and natural gas. Threshold limit of turnover for registration, who will decide? GST Council. Are we all 100% clear till here? Can we go ahead, everyone? So this was about the GST Council. Detailed one is here. If you see over here, this is the detailed one which I have already explained, and the shortcut one I have given here. Can I go ahead, everyone? Okay. Now we have one more point over here, which is known as the common portal. This is known as the common portal. Why do we call it as a common portal, everyone? Because this is one common portal which is used by central government also, which is used by state government also. Are we clear? If you have to pay CGST, then also you will go to this common portal only. If you have to pay SGST also, you will go to this common portal only. Are we clear? And I'll show you the common portal. Everyone over here. This is the common portal, which is the gst.gov.in. Can you see this is the gst.gov.in? This is known as the common portal. Who runs the gst.gov.in? GSTN, Goods and Service Tax Network. Can you see the company? Goods and Service Tax Network. This is one common portal where you can take your services like GST ka registration. You can make the payment. You want to claim your refund, you can claim your refund. You want to file any application, you can file your applications. All the things can be done through this common portal. In the due course of time, when we go ahead, we are learning chapters, then I'll be talking about this common portal a little more. Okay, everyone? Next. The second common portal is also known as e-way bill. Don't worry about what is an e-way bill now, because e-way bill ka one full chapter will come where I will teach you what is an e-way bill. But yes, now, okay, e-way bill, a bill which you need on the way, which you have to generate electronic. So it is known as e-way bill. Bill when you need on the way, which you generate, everything is in the name only. So when a truck wala is going on the way, he needs one bill. That bill he generates through the e-way bill portal. Are we clear, everyone? So this e-way bill portal is also known as the common portal. Why? Sir, I want to generate e-way bill. You have to generate here. Sir, I want to generate. Okay. Sir, I want to go ahead, amendment, any changes in the e-way bill. Everything has to be done through this portal. Are we clear? I'll talk about e-way bill in the e-way bill ka chapter. Okay, everyone. But this is also known as the common portal. This is managed by NIC, National Informatics System. Can you see over here? Center. National Informatics Center, NIC. Now, can you see over here? Here down it is written National Informatics. Can you see? Down hidden here, center. Correct? No. Now, one more portal which is again known as the common portal is e-invoicing. Can you see over here e-invoice? This is again one portal which is managed by here National Informatics Center. E-invoice is electronic invoice. Again, electronic invoice ka discussion we will have in the tax invoice ka chapter. Okay, everyone. But this is also known as the common portal where we go and generate an electronic invoice. I will tell you how to generate, what to generate in the respective chapter. But as of now, if I tell you what are the three common portals which are used, gst.gov.in, e-way bill gst.gov.in, e-invoice gst.gov.in. If you see www.gst.gov.in, e-way bill gst.gov.in, e-invoice 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. There are 10 portals. E-invoice 1 gst.gov.in, e-invoice 2 GST. Sir, what is the purpose? Baba, in a country like India, in 1 minute, lakhs of people will generate invoice. Now, if government has only one portal where complete India is going and register, actually e-invoice portal, no, you have to register an invoice. I will teach you that process later. Now, e-invoice ka portal, if it is only one portal for across India, do you think it is possible that the portal will crash? So they have made 10 invoice ka portal, e-invoice 1, e-invoice 2, e-invoice 3, like that 10 portals are there. Are we clear? Now see, this common portal is managed by whom? Goods and Service Tax Network. This and this is managed by whom? Did I show it to you already? Now, this Goods and Service Tax Networks who is there, see, if you come over here, I have told the common portal is gst.gov.in. GSTN, who manages the gst.gov.in? GSTN. And GSTN is nothing other than a not for profit company which is made under Section 8 of the Companies Act. It's a not for profit, non profit organization. IT has been set up, means information technology. The website has been set up to establish a uniform interface for the taxpayer and a common and shared infrastructure between center and state. Baba, gst.gov.in, where you pay CGST also, where you pay SGST also. It is shared by whom? Center government also and state government. Then, Baba, the GST portal is accessible over the internet by taxpayers and their CA. For an example, you have to go to gst.gov.in. How will you go? Internet, no. I just opened what? Chrome over here and I went to gst.gov.in. Now, if I file the return will go and save where? In the government ka server. The government ka server may return. What is return, everyone? My statement, the sale, the tax, GST paid. It will go and save in government ka server. Government ka officers, when they have to access the server, do they need internet or they can access without internet only? Without internet. They need intranet. What is intranet? Only for our organization. Supposingly, I connect this system to my other systems within and the server. For an example, in our organization, we have 10 systems and one server may common data is there. Everyone can access it through intranet. It is not internet, it is intranet. So what they are telling over here, the GST portal is accessible over internet by taxpayer and intranet by tax official. So Baba, the GST ka data which is there, we will go and file on the gst.gov.in. It will go to government ka server. Now government ka officer, then when they want to access the data, they will use intranet, not internet. Are we clear with this point? Now the next point is, what is the function of goods and service tax network? Baba, this gst.gov.in is designed by whom? Goods and service tax. Now what is the work of this company? What is the work of this company? See over here, they are telling they facilitate registration. Haha. Yes, sir. When you want to take registration, you have to go over here only. Correct? Can you see? New registration. You have to go over here and take registration. Forwarding the return to the central and state. People, I will go online to gst.gov.in, file my return. That return will go to whom? GST officer. Who will forward that return? Goods and Service Tax Network. Computation and settlement of IGST. People over here. This is gst.gov.in. I paid my IGST of 18,000. Who will distribute this IGST to central government and state government? Somebody has to do it, no? That is again done by Goods and Service Tax Network. Next, matching tax payment with the banking network. I paid the tax. Government received it or did not receive? Who will do it? Goods and Service Tax Network. Providing various MIS. What is MIS, everyone? Monthly Information System. What is an MIS, everyone? Government, people, everyone over here. Government wants to know every month how much tax we received, how many people became Bakra, correct? How many people are taxpayers, how many people are taking GST registration, how many returns are filed, collection ka detail. Government wants to know. Who will provide? Goods and Service Tax Network. Then that is known as monthly information system. So government has developed one system where they are getting the information monthly. So it is known as monthly information system. Are we clear, everyone? Next, providing analysis of taxpayers profile. This boy is a Karla boy. Karla means, oh, people watching at home, Karla means bad boy. Take everyone. Now this boy is a bad boy. This boy is filing his return on time. Are you guys able to understand? A taxpayer, what kind of a taxpayer is he? Good taxpayer, bad taxpayer, very bad taxpayer, irregular in filing return. Who will provide details about a taxpayer? Goods and Service Tax Network. So the same thing. So see, the common portal, the gst.gov.in is one common portal for like registration, payment, filing of return. Their main three work is what? Registration, payment and return. The common GST portal for electronic way bill is e-way bill and Baba, which is managed by National Informatic Center. Further, invoice registration portal. Did I tell you about e-invoicing? Which the invoicing ka portal ka another name is invoice registration portal. I will talk about the portal. I will teach you about the portal in the chapter of tax invoice. And they have introduced how many portals? 10 portal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see over here? Like this, 10 portals are there. Can I go ahead, everyone? And that is what I've gone ahead and told you about the functions. Can you read these functions, everyone? What are the functions? Number 1, registration. Number 2, computation and settlement of IGST, matching of tax payment with banking network, whether government received the payment, did not receive, etc. Providing monthly information system report, forwarding the return to whom? Center and the state, and providing analysis of taxpayer's profile, whether this taxpayer is filing his returns on time, making payments correctly or not. All those will be provided by whom? Goods and Service Tax. Are we all 100% clear till here, everyone? Okay. People, I'll do one thing. Almost the chapter is done, but still, I want you guys to read some questions first and then we'll come back to it. Okay, everyone? Okay. Number 1. Question answer में page number 1.12. Yes, madam. Quickly. People over here. Difference between direct tax and indirect tax. Did we learn? See, I have some more things to teach, but I'm just not teaching you because I think this much is enough for the time being. Okay, everyone? Here. What is the difference between direct tax and direct tax? Is a charge, people, everyone over here, which is imposed directly on taxpayer and paid directly to the government by the person on whom it is. The burden of this tax cannot be shifted by the taxpayer to someone. Indirect tax is imposed on goods and its incidence is borne by consumer who ultimately consume the goods or service. It is also consumption based tax. Significant is income tax. Here it is GST and custom. This is progressive in nature. This is regressive in nature. Did I already tell you? Read the next one. What are the features of indirect tax? People, everyone here, can you see when I taught you about indirect tax, I told you these are the features also. Correct? You don't have to remember everything. You can remember 4 5 of them. It is more than enough. Can I go ahead, everyone? I have given you a lot of them over here just for a reading purpose. We don't have to read everything. Now, number one, an important source of revenue. Tell me one thing, everyone. Does the Indian government earn a lot of money by goods and service tax? Goods and service pay, whatever tax is being charged, does the Indian government earn a lot of money? So it's a significant source of revenue. Means it's a main source of revenue. Tax on commodities and service. Baba, is income tax, is indirect tax, is indirect tax a tax on goods and services? Next, shifting of burden. Are you shifting the burden to your ultimate consumer? No perception of direct pinch. What is direct pinch, everyone? You will not even come to know an injection given. How? You made the bakra also and you didn't think only you paid tax. Do you pay taxes? You never knew that you pay taxes. But for every goods and service you pay tax. So directly they are not pinching you. Indirectly they are pinching you and taking it off. You went to one shop. You bought one item. You paid him 100 rupees plus GST. You didn't even think that you paid him tax. Are you guys able to understand? But you paid him tax. Yes or no? So, Baba, there is no perception of direct pinch. Inflationary. What do you mean by inflationary, everyone? What do you mean by inflationary? Baba, because of GST, don't you think the price of things will go up for the consumer? So don't you think it's leading to inflation? When you are buying an item of 100 rupees and you are paying GST of 18 rupees, 118, don't you think the prices of the commodities go up? So see, tax imposed on commodity and services causes an all-round spiral, price spiral. In other words, indirect tax directly affects the prices of commodities and services and leads to the inflationary trend. What do you mean by leads to inflationary trend, everyone? The price of the things will go up. Wider tax base. What do you mean by wider tax base? Baba, tell me one thing. Government of India must be earning tax more from income tax or GST? Why GST? Everybody is paying. All of you sitting in the class are paying. Are we clear? So it is a wider tax base. Wider tax base means many people are paying this. Promote social welfare. What do you mean by social welfare? You know, government charges more tax on tobacco, not alcohol. Alcohol pe GST is not there, but excise duty is there. Tobacco, correct or not? So whatever pan masala. So when government is charging more tax on this item, don't you think social welfare will happen? People who are smoking will smoke less. Maybe, sir. Correct. So that is what the government is selling. Regressive in nature. These are the features of what? Indirect tax. At least 3 to 4 you must remember. Okay, everyone. Next. Enumerate the deficiencies of existing indirect tax which led to the need of ushering into GST regime. Did we discuss this? Where? Deficiencies. People, I want you to read this once. Now, read. I will explain, but first you read. People watching at home, read. People, done? Great. What is it telling? Deficiencies in the earliest indirect tax means whatever was happening earlier. Certain transactions were subject to double taxation and were taxed on goods and taxed as both goods and service. Since under the earlier regime, distinction between goods and service was often blurred. I'll tell you. Earlier on restaurant, service tax also used to come, and because service was there, food was there. For food, VAT used to come. So on restaurant, double taxation. VAT is also there, service tax is also there. Are you guys able to understand? So they are telling because earlier people never used to understand the difference between whether restaurant is goods or restaurant is service. They used to term it both, and GST service tax also used to come and VAT. But now only GST comes. So double taxation is not there. Next, Sanway did not include chain of value addition in the distribution trade after the stage of production. Baba, I told you already about it. No Sanway credit is given, and because of that, what will happen? It will become part of the cost. Cost price will become more. When cost will go up, again tax on tax will happen. Next, though SANVAT and state level VAT were essentially value added taxes, set off one against the other is not possible. People, you paid excise duty. Can you use excise duty to pay your state ka VAT? No. So set off was not available. If set off was not available, this I will not be able to use. When I don't use it, it will become part of my cost. Next, there are several taxes which were not subsumed. Multiple taxes like luxury tax, entertainment tax, all these were the problem. VAT on goods was not integrated with tax on service at state level to remove the cascading effect of service tax. People, I already told you this. I bought a laptop. I already paid VAT. But if services pay, I'm collecting service tax. I cannot use my VAT to pay service tax. Then what will I do with my VAT? VAT will again become part of my cost. Again, service ka cost will go up or it will come down? It will go up. Then CST was another distortion. What do you mean by CST? Central Sales Tax. I'll tell you. Everyone listen. I bought goods earlier. What used to happen? This is Karnataka and I am in the state of Tamil Nadu. Okay, everyone? This is Karnataka and I am in the state of. Now, supposingly, from Karnataka, the goods are sold in Tamil Nadu. Earlier, what used to happen? 100 rupees ka goods. This guy from Karnataka, when he sold, he will collect 2 rupees CST. What will he collect? Central Sales Tax, 2 rupees. He will give to Karnataka government 2 rupees. Okay, everyone? When he sold the goods to you, he collected from you 100 rupees plus 2 rupees. What, everyone? CST. He gave it to his government. Now in Tamil Nadu, will Karnataka government give you 2 rupees ka credit? Never. It means for you, what is the cost of the goods? 100. And when you sell these goods, will you charge VAT on this item? Tax on? So CST was again creating a distortion. CST was a distortion in terms of cascading nature. Whenever you are buying from other state, you paid CST. You never got the credit. When you don't get the credit, it will become part of your cost. Are we clear? And when it became part of your cost, now when you are selling, what will you do? You will charge tax on the total. Are we clear with this? Can I go ahead? Baba, not very important from exam point of view, but still you should take care of 2 to 3 points at least, because 2017 the old tax system was there. It's almost 5 years now that the old tax system is gone. People, this is something important. What are the earlier taxes which are subsumed? What are the taxes which are not subsumed? Did I already tell you? Central taxes subsumed, state taxes subsumed, and the taxes which are not subsumed. Please mark this question number 4 and question number 5. 1 mark MCQ can come. You have to be careful. Can we go ahead, everyone? People, can we go ahead? Done. GST is a destination based tax on consumption of goods or service or both. People, did I explain you? GST is a tax on consumption, and the tax will ultimately go to which state? Where the goods are consumed. Are we clear? Homework. You have to read at home today. Homework. Did we understand the benefits? Where? Here. Correct? Today's homework is this seventh one. I've already explained you all of them. What are the commodities which have been kept outside GST? Can you tell me, everyone? Arey, it's okay to go wrong. Tell no. Alcoholic liquor and HP man. Correct or not, everyone? Same thing. Homework. Question number 9. Homework. Baba. Question number 10. What is dual model? Both center and state will collect. So whenever a transaction will happen, central government will collect state GST, state government will collect SGST. Correct, everyone? But in case of interstate, is it also central government will collect, but then they'll distribute between center and state. Did I teach you about the three list? Next. This one I'll not teach now. This one I'll teach you later. 12th one. Okay? Okay. Question number 13. Did I teach you question number 13? What is it? Where is it? Here. Correct, everyone? Next. Why was the constitution amended recently in context of GST, or why was the need to amend the constitution before introducing GST? Why? What was the problem? Why constitution was amended? Because both the government had to be given equal power. Now, to give the government equal power to collect GST, they amended the constitution and they introduced article number 246A. Do you remember, everyone? What did they say in article number 246A? Here, it provides parliament and state legislature to levy GST simultaneously, and parliament will have exclusive power to make GST law with respect to interstate trade and commerce. See here, everyone. Earlier, the fiscal power between the center and state are clearly demarcated in the constitution. No overlap between the respective domains. Means central government has their respective power, state government have their respective powers. The center has the power to levy tax on manufacture except alcoholic liquor, opium, etc. While the states have the power to levy goods on tax on sale of goods. In case of interstate sale, the center has the power to levy a tax called the central sales tax, but the tax is collected and retained entirely by the state. Do you remember, everyone? Just now I told you CST is levied, but this is retained by which? Whom? The state government. As for service, it is the center alone that is empowered to levy service tax. Baba, earlier what used to happen? For supply of goods, state government used to collect. For supply of service, central government used to collect. For manufacturing, who used to collect? Central excise, central government. So some taxes central government used to collect, some taxes state government. But now both the government have to collect equally. Yes or no, everyone? How will they collect? Baba, for that they introduce article number 246A. That is what they are telling. Introduction of GST required amendment in the constitution so as to simultaneously empower the center and the state to levy and collect this tax. The Constitution of India has been amended by the Constitution. This one I'll talk about. I'm yet to talk about this. Article number 246A of the Constitution empowers the center and the state to levy and collect GST. They are talking about article number 246A. So what they are telling, earlier central government used to collect manufacturing pay, service tax central government used to collect, state government used to collect what? VAT and CST. Arey Baba, did I tell you this here only? Wait, I'll show you here only. I told you this. See, earlier manufacturing pay and providing of service pay central government used to collect, correct? And state government used to collect for what? VAT and sales tax. Now with article number 246, what is happening? Both the government are going to collect GST. Are we clear, everyone? Chalo. Did I tell you about article number 246A, 269A? Next, GST Council. People, what would be the role of GST Council? This can be the question. Or the GST Council stands as the backbone of the whole GST law. What is the role of the GST Council? Or any five matter on which the GST Council may make recommendation with the article number 279A. Baba people, did I tell you about article number 279A? Did I tell you about the function of GST Council? Tell me some functions, everyone. Taxes to be subsumed, tax rates, whether registration का threshold limit, then Baba, listening is very easy, but remembering is very difficult. Yes, no? Do one thing. Take your pen and start writing the answer. People, this question ka answer. The question is on the board. You have to write the answer. Pick up your pen and start writing the answer. This can come in the exam, so please pick up your pen and start writing the answer. People watching at home, pick up your pen and start writing the answer. Remember, people who don't write fail. So if you don't want to write, it's up to you. Pick up your pen and write the answer for this question. What are the five functions of the GST Council? Right. I'll pause the video. People watching at home, I'll pause. For you, what pause? Pause. People watching at home, I'll pause the video, write the answer, and then continue. Are we done writing, everyone? Done. Madam, what did you write? You only. You only. First bench. Where are you looking here and there? What did you write? I told no. People who will not write and practice 100% fail. You will not get marks in the exam. Writing like this, you will get marks. You only, madam. What did you write? Read your answer. Huh? Huh? They are asking you to write only words and come, is it? Threshold limit, rate. Baba people, remember, you will get marks only if you know how to write. I can explain you, but after explaining what you have understood, to make it a sentence and write is the most difficult thing. And students who will write and practice only will pass. See, you will see this question. Are you able to understand everything? Ha, sir. I know everything. Pick up one question and start writing. You will understand what do you know. Are you guys able to understand? People, you have to start writing. If you don't write, certainly fail it is. I don't encourage anyone saying, no, you will pass even if you don't write. No, you will not pass. Are we clear, everyone? So if you want to pass, you have to get your notebook, pick up your pen and start writing. Do you think Virat Kohli can hit a sixer if he's not practicing every day? His coach told him everything about bat, ball, everything. First day he will go and hit a sixer. Or he's practicing every day. Then what are you guys doing? I am telling everything you are listening. First time pick up your cricket bat, that is your pen, in the exam. Will you hit a sixer? You will get 1-2 marks. Correct, everyone? So all of you have to start writing, and that is very important. Can we go ahead, everyone? Next. People, 11 special category state. Did we learn about them? People. Okay. Next. Did I teach you about goods and service tax network? What is the role and the function? Did I tell you about this full? Done. Now please come down. First chapter, no, so I'm doing it. MCQs. Number 1. Goods and service tax network. What is the function? Can you tell me, everyone? Registration, forwarding the return, computation and settlement. Very good. Tobacco product will be subject to excise duty and GST. Which one? B. India has adopted from Canada. What is the GST common portal? gst.gov.in. Okay, next one, everyone. B. Direct tax is regressive. Wrong. Direct tax is progressive. Indirect tax is regressive. Progressive, progressive, regressive, regressive. B. Sixth one, everyone. Which is not origin based tax. It's a destination based tax. It's a value added tax. This is not there. Next. 12 model. First country to implement. I have not told you now. Okay. No, no. France is the first country. I am yet to teach you. Okay. Next. Which of the following is not? Answer will be B. Which of the following taxes have been subsumed into GST? Central sales tax gone. Excise duty gone. VAT gone. Which one? Various taxes have been subsumed into GST to make it one nation, one market, one tax. Out of the following, determine which have been subsumed into GST. Which have been subsumed. Okay, everyone. Number 1. Basic custom duty. Is it subsumed? No. Okay. So people, see. What method you will adopt? When 1 is never your answer, here. Where is 1? Here, no. So D will never be your answer. Taxes on lottery. Is this have been subsumed? Yes. Arey, yes or no, everyone? Yes. This is also. This is also. So 2 should be your answer. Actually, environment tax is there, but I don't want you guys to learn about environment. Okay, I'll talk about this tomorrow. I'm yet to talk about it. Tomorrow I'll talk about it. Okay, you leave it now. List number 1 of the Constitution contains matter in respect of which dash has been central government. Next. Article number 366. GST means any tax on supply of goods service except alcoholic liquor for tobacco. So Baba, A is the answer here. Next. Dash of the Constitution provides no tax shall be levied and collected except by authority of law. 265 article. Next. Which article of the Constitution outlines the composition and function of the GST Council? A. Now you tell me one thing. If you don't remember these articles, how will you be able to answer these MCQs? These kind of small MCQs they can ask. Can I go ahead, everyone? Next. Provision relating to GST came into effect. When did the provisions came into effect? 12. And president constituted the council on what? 15. See, they made the law saying GST council will have this many member, everything. That provision effective from which date? 12. And actually council was constituted on 15. Council में how many member? 33. Which is not correct? Which is not correct? Not correct. Okay, everyone, tell me. Not correct. Center has 1/3 of the total votes cast. State has 2/3. This is correct, no? Center has 2/3. State has 1/3. Wrong. Center has weight of half of the total votes and state have weight of half of the. This is also wrong, no? Answer will be D. You know what students will do? They will say, ah, B is wrong. Come. Baba, who will read C and D? Remember one thing, always in MCQs, you follow elimination method. You have to read all the 4 options and then you have to choose your one answer. Are we clear, everyone? Next. On petroleum, GST will not be levied. GST will be levied from a date notified on recommendation of council. GST will be levied but exempted by notification or none of the above. Which one is the one? B. Which is special category state? Can you tell me, everyone? Ah, find out. See here. Why first one? What is the problem? Andhra Pradesh. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. What is the problem? Himachal is not there. Humans. Himachal, Uttarakhand, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Assam, Arunachal, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim, and Jammu and Kashmir. Here, what is missing? H, U, M. A is missing, no? So they have asked you the special category states. So you have to say D, where all are present. Correct, everyone? Next. This I am yet to teach you. Tell me one thing. Manufacture or production of alcoholic liquor for human consumption, state excise duty will come. Plus interstate or intrastate, whenever sale will happen, GST will come on alcohol. So which is incorrect? So this is incorrect. So number 1 is incorrect. Correct, everyone? So in your answer, 1 should come. 1 should come. Do you guys agree with me? People, are you able to understand? So I will eliminate the 4th option. Let's see it now. Next one. Central excise duty is levied on manufacture or production of petroleum, crude, diesel, ATF, etc. And interstate, intrastate supply is levied to CGST, CST and VAT. Correct? No? This is correct. We are finding incorrect. Union government retains the power to levy central excise duty on tobacco, and tobacco is subject to GST as well as central excise duty. This is also correct. We are finding the incorrect. Opium, Indian hemp, narcotics, etc. are subject to VAT as well as state excise duty. GST. So 4th one is wrong. So which is incorrect? B. 1 and 4. Are we clear, everyone? And if you see, all the answers also I have given. Can I go ahead, everyone? Now, people listen. We have half an hour more, no? Then? No, I was told till 1. You guys don't believe me on. It is still 1. Okay, people, listen. Whatever I have taught you till now, okay, I'll not teach you more today. Listen, I'll leave you early. Okay. People, listen. Whatever I have told you from the chart book, people, listen. Whatever I have told you from the chart book, You will go through your textbook today. Whatever points you don't understand, those points are not taught in the class. Others, you have to go through the textbook. I've told you some question answers to do at home. Please, please read this question. Some questions at least you try to practice. See, everything I can't make you sit in the class and write. Correct, everyone? Only if you practice at home, you will be able to do it. Right, everyone? I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone. Please revise everything what I've taught you and then come for the next class. People, revise and then come. Bye, guys. Have a great day. Bye. People watching at home, bye.